living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to KeneishaSays. If it's your first time, my name is Keneisha, and over here we do lifestyle videos, home decor, vlogging, and just speaking our mind. So you will always get honesty over here. So today we're gonna do another unboxing, Amazon unboxing. It's not a lot of stuff, it's just a little bit of thing to like spruce up the living room and like dining room for the spring. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment on the comment section, and share. Let's jump right into it. Alright, so the first box that we have, the first package, this is a very long box. It's long, see? So this long box for this, that's crazy. This alone coming in this, that's crazy. These are some 8 pieces of 40-inch tall fuzz pampas grass, and this is gray. This spring, I'm going for like a gray theme. I'll show you what it's looking like. That was a really mighty long box, but this, I understand they may not want to bend it. So this is what it's looking like. This is how tall it is. We're gonna mix this with a little bit of white and black, maybe beige. You know, I think I'm more black and white with gray. Maybe beige, maybe. Like a little bit of, or tips of gold. But black and white mostly. So this is what it's going like. It's really tall, it's a little bit lush. Not disappointed. So these are 8 stems. And so for the next package, it has 2 items in it. Actually, some more stems or pampas grass. So this is 50 pieces of pampas grass. These are the smaller ones. And this has black, gray, and white. So these go obviously in the smaller vases. These are some placemats. It's 2 packs of 4, and it's gray. It's called the Shaka's Round Table or Outdoor. I use this like a layer, 4 pieces, a little bit bent. But I normally put this down first, and then I normally put like a square mat down, and then this around it, just like for a little bit of aesthetics. So I normally put it like this side up, but if you have like a round table, then that's basically what it's for. To go around, you know, the edges, instead of having that square and then having it like hang off the table. So that is what this round section is for. But again, I use it for the square table, but this side, and then this kind of just give it like a little aesthetics look. So that's what it's given, and this is the green one. And let me just show you the pampas grass so you can see it a little bit closer. So again, these are smaller ones, and these are the fake ones as well. Because to be honest, the real one, it really give a lot of work. It's really messy. So this is what it's given. So you have the gray, the white, the black. And in the third package, this is the table runner. So again, we're going for the gray theme. This is more of, let me tell you what this is. This is the mineral Adobe stripe ribbed table runner. So it does give you more of the that farmhouse type of look, you know, with all the tassels and stuff. So this is what it's looking like. So again, we're going with the gray, white, and black theme for spring. In the fourth package, this is a washer and dryer cover laundry kitchen. Oh, this is not spring related, but bought it to go on top of my dryer. It's up a little bit scratched, but I'm not gonna get a new one yet. It's like a silicone feel. So it goes on top of it like so. You know, like just like a covering. Alright, so here we have a big old box. So in this we have several items. Hopefully I can remember what they're all for. This is a throw blanket. It's a queen's coffee throw blanket. This is for TJ's room because his bed is gonna be brown. So it's for his bed. These are some gray sheer curtains. They're a set of 2. So I have 3 sets. And these are actually going to be for the living room and the dining room. This is actually some throw pillow covers, some gray ones. Guys, if I sound a little bit down, it's because I'm just recovering from the flu. So I'm like, not feeling myself right now. So these are some, it's actually the 12 by 20 throw pillow covers. What am I doing? So I'm a salesperson, I'm going to stay up there. Let me tell you something. If you don't come with me at that salesperson and I did not invite you now, do not come there because I'm going to tell you no. You're going to stay out there like right now. Just let you know. I'm not trust salespeople again. They mess me up with my solar. Now this again. So be quiet. These now are remember before I told you about that I normally put the rectangular placemats underneath the round ones. So this is actually the rectangular ones. So I don't think I have to take this out. You can literally see what it is. I thought it was going to be a little bit lighter. So I wanted to do like a light, a darker, and you know, the different shades. I'm wondering if I should send back one to get like a lighter shade. Like I think I'm gonna get a lighter shade. I feel like I don't know. This look black. I guess it would work. But why this looks more brownish? This looks more brown. Why look brown? Gray, right? It's supposed to be gray. It says gray. I guess it can't work. It can't. That's okay. And then in here, there are more throw pillows, and these are shades of gray. It's a pack of 4 each with 4 different shades of gray. I think last year you guys saw when I had the curtains. A matter of fact, these curtains, I need to show you the curtains because the curtains are actually going to be matching these in terms of the different shades of gray. There you go. From light all the way to dark. So I have 4 packs, oh no, 2 packs of 4. And I want you to see the curtains because the curtain actually has the shades as well. So as you can see, it has the gray, the different shades of gray straight into white. Alright, it's been good. Oh Jesus, look at my eye. Let me show you. The only downfall is that for some odd reason I wash it in the dryer, the brown one that I had, because I have another set. I think you guys saw that last spring where I had brown, and I did the same thing with the different tones and stuff. And then I went and washed it in the washer, and tell me why all this it just broke off. So then it just ruined the whole curtain. So FYI, do not wash in the washer. Use delicate wash or hand wash these, okay? Because of the rings that's around them. So as you can see, the different shades, as I said before, so you have from darker to light or light to dark, as whichever one you want to put first. Alright, we have another big old box here. Alright, I have to put that back on the ground because it's heavy. I think I know what this is. This is actually, hold on. This is a manual that we get with all the instructions as to how to put it together. So it's put together, it should be looking like this, where you can actually, my idea is it's going to be going into the kitchen. I have this little area to put like ground provisions or like, you know, like anything that you don't want to lock away in the pantry, but you don't want to put it in the fridge either. Like Irish potatoes, I don't normally put my Irish potatoes in the fridge if it's not like already used. Like pineapple that is not peeled yet, or you know, other stuff apart from putting it into the fruit bowl that you just want to store outside. So that's what this is for, and it's like cute. It's black, and it's just gonna come in with the aesthetics of the kitchen and the whole house based on what I have set up right now. So that's what I wanted to get at, because normally when I get my green bananas or you know my yam and dasheen and all those things, I don't really have anywhere to put it, and I'm like putting them up in the pantry. I don't like that. So I wanted somewhere to actually store these items, and I saw this one day. I was browsing on Amazon, yes, and in browsing, like I spotted, I think it was actually on Facebook. I was doing something on Facebook, and you know how they normally pop up these things because I'm wanting to buy things. I think I saw it and then I went over it and I'm like, yeah, this is definitely what I need to put in that little area there that I've been saving for so long. So that is how that came along. Has all the different pieces, so we're gonna have to put this together in here. I won't take everything out, but when I put it together, maybe I'll show you guys. I think I have one more. Oh, this definitely based on. Hold on, I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, I know I was missing something. There is I bought this phone case because I need a new phone case. If you see the one that I have on right now, it's a hot mess. So I needed to change this. So that is what this is for. So I'm gonna change this right now because it's overdue. Right now. That's how this is looking. It's wait, hold on. Is it in there? I think it's supposed to stay in there. Forget that silver look. Yeah. I guess you also have the option if you want it just to be clear. Yes. When it's silver look. I don't remember how it's supposed to look. Let me take a look. I think it's supposed to have the silver look on it. Yeah. Oh, let me show you guys. So what I showed you before, the basket storage container I showed you, it's called the fruit and vegetable basket bowls for kitchen with metal top lid. So this is what it's looking like. It can actually swing out. Can you see? It can actually swing out like this, or it can close up, and then it has the wheels. So that's, and then look, it can store all your things on it. So from tomato, tangerine, apple, potato, and it actually holds 20 of each. I think it also depends on the size, but that's what it says. It is, and then look, this is the pot size, like the measurement that it's actually giving you. So I thought that was cool, and this is how tall it is versus somebody. So anywho, that's why I bought it. It was very cool. I like that about it. And then the phone case is supposed to be looking like this. So yeah, it's supposed to have the shimmery thing in there. So I'm gonna put it on right now and see how it looks on my phone. I do need a new phone. This is the 13, like the regular 13. Alright, so this is fitting the same way. I have this. Alright, let me show you. I have this lens protector on the camera, right? And I feel like it's hindering a lot of cases to go back. The one that I had before was perfect. It fit perfectly. But this one, it's just like having this, like it's lifting it up. I might send it back. It defeats the purpose. It's beautiful and stuff, right? But it's still not fitting how it's supposed to be fitting. You can see the edges, like it's not setting now, like it's popping up at the sides. You see that? It's popping up at the sides. I'm gonna continue to play with it, and if it doesn't work, then I'm gonna send it back as well, because then it defeats the whole purpose. And even though it was not very expensive, it's still money. So I'm gonna play with it a little bit, and if it doesn't, then I'm gonna send it back. So the last thing was actually a throw for the living room. And of course it's gonna be gray. I hope it looks small, but I hope it's not small. It's a 50 by 70 inches. Yeah, this is, it's nice. But for my living room, I like when my throws are a little bit wider. Guys, not just for me. Or should I just keep this? I don't know. I feel like I can do a little bit wider with this. So the size I have, 50 by 70. I don't know, I'm gonna think about it. I think I'm going to have to get the twin, which is a 60 by 80. Because I think it's 50 by 70 I normally get. But I don't remember it ever being so, I don't know, it's giving one person. I don't like when, you know, when you snuggle up with the kids and stuff, like this can't go do. Like this got too narrow. So I think I want to send this back and get the longer one. I'm gonna put in a return for this. I'm gonna think about the phone case because I don't know, it's not given right now. But apart from that, that's all I have. See, I told you guys it was not gonna be a lot. It's not a lot. I'm trying not to spend. I'm trying. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. So yeah, that's all I have, guys. If you haven't already subscribed, like the video, go ahead, subscribe right now, like the video, comment on the comment section, and share. And until later, guys. Bye.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.